Hello everyone, welcome to Kyleberry Consulting's YouTube channel. And I've been making a lot of videos on how to approach your application, essays, interviews, many of those things, right? So when people write their SOPs, they specifically ask me a question. Most people really struggle to find this information about the program. Most of the other information is available on Google, IMA site, but many people find it difficult to figure out the club and committee activities that are as a part of PGPX of IMA. So people want to really know what those clubs are, what are the committee activities that are done, how does it happen, and all of those, right? So at least the names of those clubs so that they can establish their relevance to those clubs while they are writing their SOPs, right? So what I thought I'll make a video out of it. Most of my videos are very spontaneous. I don't take notes or anything. I just speak from the bottom of my heart as if how I would share my experience with a friend who is sitting in front of me. That's how it is. But for this video alone, I have a notes where I'm going to read out some of these things because I can't remember all the n number of clubs and committees that is available as a part of the PGPX IMA cohort, right? All right. So some of the leadership positions that PGPX folks take up for the batch is called the Academic Council. The Academic Council, you have the batch representative, who is basically, that the name goes without saying, right? It is you are a representative of the batch. That's like number one. And then there are other positions called class representative. You would have by now known that in PGPX of IMA, there are two sections. So for each of the section, there is a class representative to help the batch representative. And apart from that, academics, there is a funny saying A in IMA stands for academics, right? So academic rigor and the number of activities and all that is like, huge for IMA's PGPX batch. So you have two people, one for each section, called the academic reps or ARs. So generally, the academic council consists of a batch rep, two CRs, and two ARs, the academic representatives. That's the academic council. Apart from that, there are many clubs and committees that function as a part of. All of these are student-run initiatives. The committees are more to help the batch in different aspects of their time at IMA. So among the committees, the first committee to get formed is the election committee itself. So most of these positions are filled in through elections. So to conduct that election without any partiality or without any glitches is the election committee's responsibility. After the election committee, you have other committees like marketing committee, the PR of IMA PGPX. You would see this beautiful LinkedIn posts and all these things. Not the students' individual LinkedIn posts, but there is a LinkedIn page for PGPX. Some of those posts that come up are the activities of the marketing club. So marketing and media. So that committee is that is the committee. That committee gets formed. The marketing committee gets formed. There is alumni committee, which keeps close touch with the alums. It hosts expressions, which is one of its kind alumni meet event every year. So that is one event that the batch alumni committee hosts. So you have marketing committee and then you have alumni committee, which gets formed also, right? Apart from that, there is the most important, everyone gets kind of very touchy about this subject, which is placements. There is PlaceCon, placement committee. There is a profile committee that helps the placement committee in terms of putting profiles of people together and getting it ready for placements, right? So there is that committee called the profile committee. Apart from that, you have speaker series, which is most of guest lectures from eminent industry leaders. They are invited to the campus, asked to be, speaking about different areas of their expertise. So the committee that manages these speaker series events is the speaker series committee. And then you have this yearly once the Red Brick Summit, right? That's one of the kind event, which is conducted in collaboration. I mean, it is a campus-wide event. In that, PGPX forms a small part which is called the Connections, which is the entirely a PGPX run initiative. So for that, there is a committee called TRBS Connections Committee that is, to put up the show for TRBS, the Red Brick Summit. Apart from that, to make the best use of your time on campus, you have other committees like Cultural Committee, Sports Committee. The Community Outreach Committee is called the Prayas Committee, right? That's a committee as well. Then there is Treasury Committee, which manages the funds, whatever a student contribution is done, and whatever is from PGPX office to manage that for the batch is the Treasury Committee. There is Birthday Committee to actually celebrate all people's birthdays. So these are some of the committees that work in a PGPX batch. Typically, this could change based on years also sometimes, but mostly these are broadly the committees that are there as a part of a particular PGPX batch. Apart from that, some of the things that you would want to know are about the clubs. When we say about clubs, they are mostly, you can kind of look at it as a special interest group types. In clubs, there are two types of clubs. One is community-wide, or I would say PGPs, PGPXs, FPMs, AFPs. I mean, anyone who is in the campus as a part of the long-term programs. For all of them, these clubs are open. So those are predominantly driven by PGP folks because they have been doing it since last year also. But PGPX also gets to be a part of it, mingle with other cohorts and make the best use of that opportunity. So that is more of campus-wide clubs. Apart from that, you have specific PGPX clubs also. So let me talk about some of the PGPX specific clubs first. So in the PGPX specific clubs, you have the Tech Club, Technology Club. In technology, I think the recently last batch had introduced Product Management Club, specifically. There is Strategy and Consulting Club of PGPX. Apart from that, there is Sales and Marketing Club. For finance, the club's name is FinX. They have named it as FinX from last batch. And there is OpX for Operations Club, EnergyX for Energy Club. So these are clubs there, and there is also an e-commerce club. And apart from that, there is this initiative that actually our batch started, where there is a cross-industry interaction forum. So the best part about PGPX is people from different backgrounds and a lot of rich experience come into the batch, the cohort. So this forum is an initiative to help people interact with each other, share their experience with others, giving a perspective about their entire industry. So if I came from automobiles, I would actually share a total, a 360-degree view of automobile industry, what I think is important for an MBA person who's not from that field to know about that industry. So that is a very nice initiative that was started in our batch, and it gets continued. So that is called CIIF, Cross Industry Interaction Forum. And there is also another initiative that started in our batch, which is called the Soul Curry. Which when I talked about cross-industry interaction forum, it is more of industry-wide things getting discussed, and it is very professional. But people here also come with very rich and varied personal experiences. So Soul Curry is a place where people share their personal interesting and very moving stories, which they feel, they like to entrust the batch with. So that helps you get to know your cohort batchmates much better as persons as well, not just in the professional front. So these are different club activities specific to PGPX that happens in campus. There are a few more, maybe these are the major ones that I can recollect. Apart from that, in terms of The clubs that are run by PGPs, there are so many where you also get to participate. They open invites to you also. Some of the clubs that I could think from the top of my mind, I was a part of Eloquence, which is the public speaking club of IMA. And then there is a group for Women Leadership Society, which is more to talk about the gender diversity, representing women in different initiatives, bringing about change in the way that women are being looked at, some of those things, right? So these are some of the clubs I could remember from the PGP front. There were many more PGP-led clubs also, where invites are open for PGPX people also to join, take leadership positions and drive those clubs. So this is about the PGP side clubs. And apart from that, what you can talk about, if you're talking about life at PGPX, what do you know about life at PGPX? I would like to share a couple of things maybe. There is a program called Mavericks program, which entrepreneurs might want to, talk about in your, application if you really, want to take up the startup route. So the Mavericks program helps, PGPX or PGP folks explore if they want to start up immediately after your MBA program. You can start up, and there is a support from the CIIE, which is the chapter that is present within the campus along with IMA. They provide you some mentoring, basic facilities that you require for the startup, and a placement holiday also. So you can do a little more research about it, and if you want, you can include it as a part of your application. That is pretty much for entrepreneurs. And one thing that I would quote from my personal experience is a book that we wrote while we were on campus. I think the next batch also carried out that practice, which is the futuristic outlook to product management. It is more of product management case studies, product management assessments, interview experience sharing, so all those things put together as one book that got published. So that is ProdX club, product management clubs initiative that was carried out. So these are various events, activities that take part as a part of this PGPX experience. This is not only for you to write in your applications, but also to get a gist of how life in PGPX would be and how busy can it keep you and all of those things, right? So it's very nice to reminisce some of those memories and share it with you. So you can use them, you can think about them while you apply to the program. All the very best in your application journey.